Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Trust you guys are doing well and keeping safe. Today on this channel I would like to show you guys how I make my barbecue chicken that I'm going to be using the oven. I don't have a grill right now. So the star of the occasion is this barbecue spice which I'll be using. I've got my other spice here. I've got the paprika, I've got a bit of salt, the garlic seasoning, ginger, black peppercorns, I've got the all-purpose seasoning and chicken seasoning. I've got a bit of spice here. I've got my seasoning here. So first things first, I would like to start by making a marinade for my chicken. Not to forget, chicken is here. I've cleaned my chicken and washed it. So and drained it. You have to drain your chicken so that it won't have water, so that the seasoning will be able to get into it. So I'll start by adding all my seasoning into this bowl. I'll mix them all together. And I'll go in with my oil. And mix it all together once again. So I've finished mixing my spice. I'll now pour it into my chicken. So the next thing is to mix all this thing here. Let them do their marriage right now. Make sure everything gets into it properly. Yeah, I've rubbed in my spice into my chicken. Well, some people like boiling their soft chicken before they put it in the oven to grill, but trust me guys, if you try this recipe, you will love it. You will love it. You don't need to start boiling your chicken. Just do this and marinate it overnight to come out so tasty. So the yumminess will be too much, man. I've tried it before. That's why I'm sharing the recipe with you guys. It's very yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy all the way. So the next thing I'll do now is to line my chicken in my oven tray and place it in the oven to cook for about 40-45 minutes, and it's done. Yeah guys, our chicken is almost ready, but to add more yumminess to this chicken, I'm gonna add some, I have some ketchup here, and I'll add some honey to it. Add some honey to it, and a bit of half of this lime. I'll put some lime into it. I'll stir it together and I'll rub it in to the chicken. You can leave it the way it is, but I like more yumminess into my chicken. I'm gonna rub this in. Comes out really yummy. Place it back in the oven and leave it for about 5 minutes. Our chicken is now ready. I'm gonna just put it in my serving tray. Guys, our chicken is ready. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, give it a try. It's so yummy, very yummy. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.